Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can wrap an image in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, this will be done using the warp tool. You can wrap an image around any shape you would like, and you can pretty much just edit it however you would like around a shape, but for that you do need to use a warp tool. Now, once you select the warp tool, you will get sort of this type of image, or this is how your image will look like. You will get a couple of points, a couple of pivot points, and they will be connected to a different type of pivot point. Now, to just warp the image however you would like, you just need to press or drag these inner pivot points just to edit the curves however you would like. You just need to click click the tool to switch between a standard editing mode and the warp editing mode, and then this will appear. And once you drag these out, you can shape the picture however you would like. There are also predefined shapes such as an arch or a flag, so you don't have to move the points manually. However, you can do it if you want to warp it around a shape of your choosing. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.